What's your name?
Called Johnny Jones,
John Jones.
the son of Sam, right?
Can you give us a brief about what happened yesterday? We saw you in a towel during daytime after the fire.
Yesterday, what was it yesterday or day before yesterday?
It was yesterday in the morning.
Yesterday morning, right? About 9, about 8:30 to 9, right? I was warming my cold rice in the morning time, right? So I saw the smoke. I saw the smoke, a lot of smoke, right? Right to my door. So I jumped down. I jumped down to see what the smoke come from. But the smoke covered my face, man, brother. It was too much smoke because I was just in my towel with no shade.
This is the towel you were in yesterday?
Yeah, this is the same towel. I was in my towel with all shade, but with my own pound. That's all. Because I didn't do nothing. I didn't go anywhere. I was just in my place warming my rice soon in the morning time.
So you were not in lodge as people were saying yesterday?
It's not my lodge, it's my home.
That's where you stay?
Yeah, that's right.
How long have you been there?
I've been there since 82.
1982.
March 2nd. I came 82 March from Madrid, Spain.
Where do you come from?
From USA. I'm a pure American, but grew up in Liberia with education programs.
Okay.
Right.
So many people are saying that you were in a lodge and the fire found you there.
It was not a lodge, it's my personal home. But now the fire brigade has blow water all around. Yeah. So I just slept outside here at night because the fire brigade had locked the whole city house yesterday, right?
Weren't you scared about moving out in a towel in the middle of the fire?
No, I was not in the fire. It's a smoke, I told you.
It was a smoke just?
It was a smoke. I jumped down and going to see what is happening at my entrance, at my door. I saw a lot of smoke. Yeah.
Did your house get burnt yesterday?
No, this was the water. The sprites of the water. Yeah.
Everything is okay in your room?
Now, okay, my whole place is scattered. Even they steal my money, they steal my clothing, everything. The important blanket, bed sheet were taken. Yeah, by the police.
So where did you sleep last night?
I just slept outside. Doors in here, doors in there. I slept under the step there. By the pharmacy. Pharmacy step.
Do you have a family around?
I have no family here. My father and mother are here.
Whom do you stay with?
I stay by myself.
Alone?
I'm alone.
You don't have a wife?
My wife, no wife.
What about the kids?
I have some kids.
You have kids?
Yeah.
Where are they?
They are staying another place.
Did they see what happened yesterday? What happened to you yesterday? No.
They didn't come here. They didn't come here.
Yeah. Why?
I don't know. But perhaps they don't know.
Did you get any call from any relative of yours?
No. I didn't never receive any call, but it was a simple matter. But the police doesn't know how to do the operation of putting up the fire. Yeah, it was a simple operation, right? But they don't know the operation of putting up the fire.
Okay. Okay. So what next after this? Where are you going to stay? Are you staying around, or you are moving to another place?
I stay around because I'm waiting for the people, for the custom to decide whether I'm a bit transfer upstairs or remain my same old place. I don't know. So I'm waiting for the custom officer to decide the word custom, and he depends.
Okay. What do you do for a living?
I'm just here waiting for my payment because I'll be connecting week for Uganda from 208. I begin with 208, right? So I'm now waiting for my payment. There's a one printing machine with every requirement.
So you're paid monthly?
No, I'm waiting for a machine, my printing machine.
Your printing machine?
Yeah, that's what I'm expecting. That's my pay.
Okay.
By the custom.
So what are you going to have for lunch and everything during the time?
Oh, I had nothing. I just go baking. I'm still baking around, man. I got nobody to depend on.
So your money got burnt yesterday?
Money was taken by the police who went to pour water in my place. They poured a lot of water in my place. Where they have water.
The fire brigade took your money?
Yeah.
Like how much?
I have about About 78,000. 78,000 shilling in my clip wallet.
70?
78.
78,000.
Was taken by the
So
water.
now you have nothing.
Nothing now. I just begging. I had no clothes. The place is locked, all sort of things, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have only your towel that you had yesterday.
This is my towel.
And that's all.
I had this. This is the defense gave me this. The defense gave me this.
They gave you this?
Defense army gave me this trouser
Yes.
and this t-shirt, right?
Okay.
But the towel is mine. I wear on my waist.
Okay. Any last message to your family out there that is watching you right now?
There's no message. There's no message. They know. They know every condition. So I'm waiting for them to give me my payment.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what it is.
So how much do you pay for rent up there?
And I'm paying rent under the custom. I'm there under the custom. And I'm paying rent.
You don't pay rent?
No. I'm free stay there
Everything
because
is catered for?
yeah. Everything is catered for.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have any friend around there in the building?
I have no better friend here. Just I alone because people are poor than me. You know, the Boganda are very mean. They're very poor, some of them. But they get the money, but they can't get spent out. The high some of them are.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the life is too tough for me. I have no food, I have no money, I have no way. I had a home, but then no food, no money.
Okay, what's next after here? Because everything is spoiled.
We are waiting for the army to open, to decide. We are waiting for the defense and his boss to decide. That's what I'm talking. We are waiting for the army and the boss to decide.
What if they don't open right now or they don't open today or tomorrow? Where are you going to sleep?
I'm going to stay outside here, dozing outside, right? Because I cannot do nothing. Because they are army, they are the moon and head defense. Moon and head defense control that, so we don't know. So we wait for them until when they are ready to decide for us.
So you're waiting for them to open for you and check?
That's correct. Yeah, that's.
Do you expect to find anything inside there? Do you expect to find anything inside there, like your clothes and...
Taking all my things, that's what I'm talking. Nothing I get. This is what I'm using.
They took everything?
They took everything. They lie, say firebrand, but there's no firebrand there. This is water. By the brigade tube. They are heavy tube, pumping water, you know.
So how do you manage to move out amidst that fire?
I managed to move out. But I told you, I said I just left a woman my race. I saw the smoke, right? Right from my door. That's how I came out. And the smoke covered me. I wanted to come back to collect my property, my important document, but there was no way. The money and the other computer matter. Key, also lost.
But you are scared about what people are going to say about you, seeing you in a towel.
Nothing can do. There's nothing I can talk to them.
Okay.
They know everything.
Okay.
Yeah. They know. I'm called Johnny Jones, the son of Sam.
John, American accent?
American name, Johnny Jones, the son of Sam.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Mwebale kutulaba olunaku olwale tuva kufuuwa Kizingereza bannange mpulira omutwe gunnuma oluzungu lwenjogedde. Do you know some Luganda?
No, I don't speak Luganda.
For those years you have been here in Kampala now, you know nothing about it?
To speak Luganda.
Okay.
I go to school powerful. No, I don't understand any.
Omusajja tamanyadde kubuuza mu Luganda kuva ku 1982 akutuuka olunaku olwaleero tamanyi yadde n'Oluganda n'olumu. Olumi owulira edduseerera lwa Kingereza lwa Amerika kati kyoma nti nze nva kwogera Oluzungu lumazeeko emirembe. Omusajja afuuwa Oluzungu. Mubeera muno mu kibuga temmanyi be mbeera nabo. Muganda wange Musoke ne Robert singa mwe mbadde mbuuza ebibuuzo singa twagenze dda nze mbabuulira. Butereevu bwetyo we mbateredde wano tukwatagana ate olunaku olw'enkya mbeere bulungi mweraba. See you next time my friend.
All right, thank you sir. Thank you very much.
Awo mbadde musiibula mbeere bulungi mweraba.